If you've been looking for a Christmas cake to make, then you simply must try this PIMM'S boiled fruitcake. Place 750 grams of dried mixed fruit and 1 cup of PIMM'S into a medium saucepan. Bring it to the boil, stir well and remove from the heat. This mixture needs to soak for about 30 minutes so the flavours can develop. Add 3 eggs and 395 grams of condensed milk and stir it through. Then, gently fold in 1.5 cups of self-raising flour and ensure it's mixed in well. You don't want any unmixed flour in your fruitcake. This mixture will be quite dense, so use a spatula to help you pour it into a lined, spring-form cake tin. Lining the cake tin helps to create a seal on the fruitcake so that it stays moist. We bake this fruitcake low at 140 degrees and slow for 2 hours. Once the cake is out of the oven, it's time to make the syrup. Boil 1/4 cup of caster sugar, 1/4 cup of PIMM'S, and 1/4 cup of water for 5 minutes until it's slightly thickened. Using a silicone brush, spread the syrup over the warm cake, ensuring it soaks into as many spots as possible and creates a beautiful glossy glaze. The aroma of this cake is heavenly, so we understand if you want to eat it immediately. If you're making it for Christmas though, it'll taste even better after a few weeks, wrapped up and kept in the pantry. For more from our community of home cooks, visit bestrecipes.com.au.